Hello everybody, this is Julien Pastor and today I am with Eric from BioMerieux and we are going to talk about the Invisible Sentinel protocol. Let's go!
You don't want to go for a ride, do you? We could get out of the palace, see the world.
Is it safe?
Sure, do you trust me?
So today I am with Eric from BioMerieux. Thank you Eric. You will try to explain to me today how you will test wine with Invisible Sentinel. So first, what kind of bacteria, what kind of microorganism we are looking for into the wine?
We want to detect, first of all, Brettanomyces or Lactococcus pediococcus. So we developed two types of kit to detect these strains and we developed a very simple protocol.
What kind of system do I need?
So the number of equipment is very low. We just need 3 main equipment.
Okay.
2 are mandatory. The first is a centrifuge to prepare the sample.
Okay.
The second will be a thermocycler to amplify the DNA from the potential microorganisms.
Okay.
And the third is optional. It could be a reader to help the reading.
What's about the protocol? Because I heard that it's only 4 hours for this test and the protocol is quite easy, but I would like to see it with you.
First, we will start directly from the wine. So we will transfer the wine in a centrifuge tubes, only 25 milliliters. After the centrifugation, for the Brett, we have an additional step, which is a digestion step. After this digestion, we will transfer directly to tubes for starting the amplification of DNA. And at the end of the thermocycling step, we will be able to start the reading. We will transfer one sample from the microtube to a cassette, which will help to reveal the presence or absence of the microorganism.
Like a pregnancy test.
Like a pregnancy test, as simple as a pregnancy test.
But with this kind of result, it's positive or negative? Or
We have a 2 levels of analysis.
Okay.
We can have a qualitative analysis.
Okay.
If we observe a line, it means that there is a contamination.
Okay.
We can have a semi-quantitative analysis with an intensity of the line.
Okay.
For this, we can read it visually, but we can use an additional reader, automatic reader, which will give a level of contamination.
Okay, so the winemaker then can react depending on the level of contamination. So sounds very good. I will definitely buy it, even if I have to buy a winery first.
Okay.
Thank you very much for your explanation, Eric.
You're welcome.
I hope this video has been useful for you. And if you have any question for Eric or for myself, please leave your comment below this video. Thank you very much. Bye.